Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick video on how to do your wiring for your Bendini circuit. This is a tri-coil. That means that there's actually 3 wires wound in this coil. As you can see, I've got 3 coming out of the top, I got 3 coming down over on that side, and they indicate which are going to be the forwards, which are going to be the reverse. My top ones here are my forward, these ones in the rear are my rear. So I'm only using 2 of the 3, and this is all you need for the Bendini circuit. You need a power run coil and you need a trigger coil. And I'm going to show you right now what wires go to which, and it's really easy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start from my potentiometer and work my way backwards. Okay, my potentiometer has my black cable. The potentiometer is connected into the middle of the potentiometer. The black cable goes right around and connects to the rear of my trigger. Okay, that is the smaller trigger rear. Okay, now we're going to now go from the potentiometer through the 1K resistor. It's going to the base and collector. This yellow wire is connected to the collector. Now, if you follow this back, you'll notice that the collector wire is connected to the front main run. Okay, front main run, yellow, goes to collector. So always remember, collector goes to the thicker run, that's just the front. Okay, now from this transistor we've got a connection running off the back here. Now this green wire goes to the trigger wire of the front. This is the smaller wire, and from this wire, black wire, is the actual negative to the battery. Okay, so there we have that. And the last and final thing, as you notice, is we now covered the black wire, we've covered the yellow wire, we've covered the green wire, and we now have covered this black wire, and now the red wire is going to the positive of the battery. Now this red wire is connected to the thicker rear, which is that is the run coil, and that's red, rear red. Okay, again, I hope this video has helped you, and you might have to watch it a couple times, but again, this is how you hook up a 1K potentiometer, and we're going to quickly run it just so we can tell you that it works. Now, the way I can tell is you listen very closely. When you connect the battery, you're going to hear a little ding, and then you'll know it's connected right. Let's see if we can hear that. Ready? Little, there it goes. Now I'm connected. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And we're going to go ahead and put a cover over this, which actually makes it run faster. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's spinning up quite nicely. Now we have the potentiometer here, and this potentiometer, by making small adjustments to it, you'll be able to adjust the speed of your actual rotor. Now, what I've noticed with these potentiometers is that they do get hot if you like to move them a lot. So I like to just make a setting and leave it. So right now this is pretty much up to speed, and I just want to show you by adjusting this the different sounds, and you can hear going faster, slower. Right now we're going to slow this down. That's slow. That's at off. Now we're going to slowly start to turn it up. There we go, turn more. There it comes. Hear it? Slowly turn more. And go past that point, it turns off. So that's about as high as it wants to crank out. Now ideally what you want to do is you want to adjust this so you're charging faster than you're drawing amps from this actual unit. So you want to adjust the potentiometer so that your charge rate is faster than your depletion rate on your run battery. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, thank you. This is the video on how to do a 1K potentiometer with a 100 ohm resistor, and thank you for watching. Let me go ahead and power this down, so everybody knows this was really spinning. There we go. Thank you much.